Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Expert Advico. Today we'll be talking about cryptocurrencies, why it has dipped, and is it a great time to buy? So first of all, what is cryptocurrencies? These are digital currencies developed around blockchain technology, which is a decentralized network of buyers, sellers, and investors. Its past rallies. Initially, the price of Bitcoin was zero at January 2020 until the first transaction for the order of 2 pizza in May 22nd, 2010, which is dubbed as Bitcoin Pizza Day. And by the year end, its price reached at 39 cents per Bitcoin. Its first all-time high was when Bitcoin prices was at $1,000 per Bitcoin in November 2013 before dropping to hundreds. And the second rally hit its all-time high at $20,000 per Bitcoin in December 2017, thereafter dropping to $7,000 per Bitcoin. The present rally, which is also the third price rally, where Bitcoin reached the maximum of $65,000 per Bitcoin in 14th April 2021 and has broken the critical support of $48,000 per Bitcoin and now also has broken $43,000 per Bitcoin. The benefits of cryptocurrencies is that it offers a high level of data integrity and high level of data reliability and high level of security against hacking and low transactional cost, and lastly it has a limited supply, thereby increasing the store in value of the cryptocurrencies. The concerns of cryptocurrencies is that these are used by dark web for illegal goods and services. Bitcoin transaction takes in a lot of power, that is 707 kilowatt per hour per transaction, which implies it has got a very high carbon footprint. The present rally is fueled by institutional buyers, which is adding to the unsustainability of the present rally. Cryptocurrency exchanges were hacked in the past, where investors lost their holdings. Investors also lost access to their wallet if they forgot the password of their digital wallet. Bitcoin valuations are unsustainable to be used as currency as it is highly speculative, thus lacking credibility on how a currency functions. People currently investing are looking to make a quick buck, but with no concerns for its practical uses, shows the graveness of this Ponzi scheme, which is like another pump and dump scheme. Lastly, Elon Musk created a huge controversy by sending tweets of Bitcoin acceptance by Tesla and later withdrawing those comments once the Bitcoin reached its peak, which shows the lack of professionalism and also shows where his true interest lies, and this drama will damage his personal reputation and that of his company Tesla, which is into sustainable green energy, as every Bitcoin transaction have a very high carbon footprint. In conclusion, Bitcoin or any cryptos are good innovation but its usability as a currency is questionable, as its valuation is highly speculative and unsustainable due to its very high carbon footprint. Lot of FOMO investors are going to lose a significant part of the capital, as the value of the cryptos will come down due to Elon Musk and Tesla backing out of acceptance of Bitcoin, which clearly shows his misleading intent, wherein he has already made his money, leaving the vulnerable and gullible people high and dry, who only want their money to grow without having the financial knowledge of the cryptos. With this, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you have found this video informative, do like, share and subscribe for more such videos in the future. Bye for now.